Aaniin bonjour. Today I'm going to tell you a little story about Bob. And so I'm going to share my screen, and we are going to do that in just a second. Let's see, here we go. Okay. Inashke, Bob, wow. Bob izhinikaazo. Bob gii-koshgozi, ji-o-anokiid. Bob gii-koshgozi. Ji-o-anokiid. Bob ganawaabi agwajiing. Gimiwan agwajiing. Bob odinendaan. Aaniin waa-izhichigeyaan. Aaniin waa-izhichigeyaan. Aha. Bob odinendaan. Aha. Ningikendaan Agawaate'on niwii-aabajitoon. Aaniindii gaa-atooyaan Agawaate'on. Aaniindii gaa-atooyaan Agawaate'on. Aha. Ningikendam. Bob odayaan Agawaate'on. Bob odayaan Agawaate'on. Mijigwa ozhiitaad. Mijigwa ozhiitaad ji-o-anokiid. Bob minwendam. Bob zaaga'am agwajiing. Bob odinendaan waa-Aaniin danaa. Gaawiin geyaabi gimiwanzinoon. Zoogipon azhigwa. Gaawiin niwii-aabajitoosiin Agawaate'on. Gaawiin niwii-aabajitoosiin Zoogipon. Wow. Bob odinendaan Ninga-o-na'inaan Agawaate'on beandig. Ninga-o-na'inaan Agawaate'on beandig. Bob amigos gadendam. Bob nishgozi. Grr. Yay. Let's see. Great. Bob o-naadin. Bob o-naadin weba'aagonaan. Bob o-naadin weba'aagonaan. Bob nishgozi. Bob nishgozi. Bob odayaan weba'aagonaan. Bob odayaan weba'aagonaan ji-dawaagone'iged. Ji-dawaagone'iged. Bob odayaan weba'aagonaan ji-dawaagone'iged. Gego. Anuj gego. Bob dawaagone'iged. Minawa Bob gii-koshgozi. Bob gii-koshgozi. Gisina agwajiing. Gisina agwajiing. Bob gii-koshgozi. Okay. Zoogipon geyaabi. Zoogipon. Bob epizo andi danaa-anokiid. Zoogipon mekwa Bob epizo. Bob bimibizo. Bob bimibizo. Bob odinendaan Haiyaa niwii-aabajitoosiin, Bob minwendam, gimiwanzinoon, Gaawiin gimiwanzinoon, Bob minwendam, Zoogipon, Gaawiin Zoogipon, Ningikendaan, Bob minwendam, Bob Dagoshin, Baganegijig kinwama Bob Gaawiin minwendam, Bob Gaawiin wii-pimoseisin ewide baganegijig kinwama Inashke agwajiing, Nuden, zaaga'am, waa-izhichigeyaan, Gaawiin wii-pimoseisin ewide baganegijig kinwama Bob. Bob magaja wii-pi-o ima odabaning. Oh, yay. Niskaded Bob. Zegeze Bob. Bob Koshquendam. Bob Koshquendam. Yay. Bob waa-izhichigeyaan we say un. Owabandaan we say un. Bob odinendaan nimbi odabaning. Bob bo odabaning. Bob bo odabaning. Bob minwendam Inashke Gimiwan zaaga'ate nungam. Bob minwendam Bob bo odabaning geyaabi zaaga'ate Bob minwendam. Bob ipindige abiwining. Bob bindige. Bob megosgadendam. Bob Haiyaa Bob inose ewide ojibwe dupening jinamadabid Bob namadabe Bob gii-koshgozi onzam dakate bindig Bob anokiid gabegijig. Bob gii-kiwe mijigwa gijate agwajiing. Gijate agwajiing. Minawa gijute bindig. Gijate agwajiing. Bob kishuze gajagans gejuze. Bob minawa gajagans gejuziwag. Bob ayekose. Bob unwebe. Mimenik, miigwich, mizendawieg. I hope you enjoyed the story. Now you are going to discuss the story with your teacher, and you're going to talk about what you think was happening in each of those slides because I didn't use any English. So I want you to try and figure out what we were talking about and what Bob was thinking and feeling and what the weather was in all those slides. I'm going to pause and then I'm going to give you the translation. It said Bob wa'au, this is Bob. Bob izhinikaazo, Bob is what he's called, or Bob is his name. Bob gii-koshgozi, ji-o-anokiid, Bob woke up in order to go to work. Bob ganawaabi, agwajiing, he looks outside. Gimiwan agwajiing, it's raining outside. Bob odinendaan, Bob thinks about it, and he wonders, Aaniin, waa-izhichigeyaan, what am I going to do? Okay, over here, Bob odinendaan, Ningikendaan, I know what. Niwii-aabajitoon, Agawaate'on, I will use an umbrella. And then he wonders, Aaniindii, gaa-atooyaan, Agawaate'on, where did I put that umbrella? A tune is put. And so Bob minwendam, he's happy. Then Bob zaaga'am, agwajiing, Bob goes outside and Gimiwan. Bob is surprised. Gaawiin, gimiwanzinoon, geyaabi. It's not raining anymore. Zoogipon. Bob odinendaan. He thinks about it. He thinks Gaawiin niwii-aabajitoosiin, Agawaate'on. Now I don't need to use an umbrella. Bob Bob is angry. Bob gosh-godendam. Bob is annoyed. Bob thinks niwii-o-naadin, agawaate'on bindig. I'm gonna go put the umbrella away inside. And Bob thinks, niwii-o-naadin, weba'aagonaan. I'm gonna go get weba'aagonaan, a shovel. Bob odayaan, weba'aagonaan, Bob has a shovel in order to clear things off because Bob needs to clear like a path. He needs to clear his driveway. He needs to clear the odayaan, the car. So odayaan, weba'aagonaan, ji-dawaagone'iged. He has a shovel in order to clear things off. Bob ji-dawaagone'iged. Bob is clearing things off. Bob. Bob is cold. Agwajiing. It is cold outside. And so Bob ji-kajip. That's why Bob is cold. Bob buze. He gets in his car. Bob buze odabaning. Bob ipizo andi danaa-anokiid. He drives to work. Zoogipon megwa ipizo. It's snowing while he's driving. Bob bimipizo. He is speeding along. Bob odinendaan. Haiyaa Ninga-o-na'inaan. Bob is thinking, oh no, I'm gonna be late. However, Bob minwendam, gimiwanzinoon. Bob is happy that it's not raining. Bob minwendam Zoogipon. Bob is happy that it's not snowing. Gaawiin gimiwanzinoon, Gaawiin Zoogipon. It's not snowing. It's not raining. Ningwakwad. It is cloudy. Ningwakwad etta. It's just cloudy. There we go. Bob Dogoshin, Baganagijig School. He arrives at Baganagijig School. Gaawiin Giwipimose sine with de Baganagijig. He doesn't want to walk all the way over there. Inashke Gimiwan. It's bad weather outside. Nuden, it's windy. Zeganakwood, there's storm clouds. Wawasese, there's lightning. Niwii-aabajitoon, there's thunder. Niskade. Bob, wii-o-naadin. He thinks he'll wait in the car. Oh, Bob Goshquendaan. Bob is surprised. Bob Zegise. Bob is scared. Inashke Bob Owawandan Wesean. Bob sees a tornado. Bob B.O. Dabaning. Bob is waiting in the car. Bob B.O. Dabaning. Bob's waiting in the car. Gieaabi. Zaga'ate. So the sun eventually comes out. Bob minwendam. Zaga'ate. Bob minwendam zaaga'ate. So Bob is happy. Bob likes zaga'ate, that it is sunny out. Well, Bob gee, Bob went in. Bob gee, Bob enters. Bob goes, he's annoyed. Bob Bob is tired. Bob knows we should be winning. He walks over to the desk. Bob namandabe. He sits down. Bob kikaje burr. And that's because onzam dakate, being that it is too cold inside. Wow, Bob is just having a day, isn't he? And then Bob kikiwe, Bob went home. And by the time he got home, gijate agwajiing. It is hot outside. And because it's hot outside, gijute bindig. It's hot inside. And then Bob gijuze. Bob is hot. Gush against gijuze. Gush against is hot. Gush against minawa Bob gijuzewag. They are hot. Bob, are you cozy? Because Bob anokiid he worked all day. Bob unwebe. Bob is going to rest. Or Bob we unwebe. Bob will rest. Bob unwebe, he is resting. So that was our story. Thank you for listening. And we are